Now we got a black Peterbilt Abelen truck. Let's find out, get a truck honk about it. He's making a lot of jake brake. Let's see, he gets a honk. He's got a small honk. You gotta be kidding me. That truck horn's kind of small. It's going up top the hill, so he's going to pick up corn at the combine north of New Cambria. How cool was that symbol? We got a cool black Peterbilt 379 with our grain truck. He was hauling a load of corn empty. He's going to pick up corn, go on the combine, take corn to the heat barge, and Abelen's forming after barge for winter. They take it to Centralia, Missouri at the feed, to Qunicy Illinois at the feed. At the ADM barge, they ship it to Madagascar through South Africa and make feed. Centralia makes feed for the corn they make from cows, pigs, and sheep and chickens on this Thursday, September 29, 2022, by Tyler McCulley, Wide World of Transportation on YouTube. Get appreciated by Wide World of Transportation. Here's the next video. Roll it.